Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix if your Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge not displaying any images. So to fix this problem, at first just go to your Google Chrome and open a tab. Now from here click the top right three dot icon and click on this settings icon scrolling. After going to settings option in the left, click on privacy and security. Now need to scroll down and click on site settings, this option. Again scroll down and here you can see images, click on it. Now here you can see this option here. If this option is not turned on, you need to turn on this option. So this is for the Google Chrome. Now to fix the Microsoft Edge problem, just go to Microsoft Edge, click the top right three dot icon and go to settings. In the left here you can see cookies and permissions, click on it. Scroll down and click on this option here, images. Now here you can see this option. If this option is not turned on, you need to turn on this option. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech 360. Thank you so much for watching this video.